Guys can become comfortable over time and accidentally forget their obligations. You might be tempted to give him his own medicine when the time comes. What better method to get his attention than by instilling a healthy dose of jealousy in him? A relationship can survive a complacent or disinterested spouse. All it takes is a little effort to overcome complacency. Jealousy is one approach to accomplish this. 1. Don't return phone calls and texts promptly. Do you normally drop everything to reply his texts or calls in your relationship? Take your time texting or phoning him back over the next few days. Better yet, wait until he sends you a new message before responding. This will pique his interest in what keeps you occupied. Your partner will eventually discover that your attention isn't solely focused on him and that you have other things to do with your time but spend it with him. This should make him even more appreciative of the attention he's had thus far. 2. In front of him, hug a male friend. Another no-brainer is physical contact. Even the tiniest gestures, a hug, a light tap on the shoulder, a friendly kiss on the cheek, are enough to make him jealous. Laugh a little louder and let your gaze linger a little longer the next time you're out with your buddies or meeting another couple for lunch. He'll be asking you about your feelings for someone else before you know it. Three. Make him jealous by talking about your ex. Without a little rivalry, people might get complacent. This is particularly true in the case of long-term relationships. Because your partner believes you can't think beyond him, he's stopped making time for you. Give him a wake-up call. Begin by discussing your ex-boyfriend and how he used to treat you. Keep in mind not to overdo it. Otherwise, it may backfire and permanently harm your relationship. If you do it correctly, you will undoubtedly make your guy envious. 4. Laugh a lot with your male companions. If you and your boyfriend are both at a party, this is the perfect method to make your boyfriend envious of you. Simply put, instead of clinging to your guy, you should spend more time with your guy buddies. You can take images of them by hugging them or posing with them for photos. Will you be able to accept the fact that your partner values other girls more than you when you're both at the same party? We all know the answer is a resounding no. So, don't you suppose the same rule applies to your boyfriend? 5. Use social media to share your photos. Why not utilize social media to demonstrate to your man that you can enjoy yourself without him and make him jealous? Your partner seemed to have forgotten how fun life can be without him and how well liked you are among your peers. As a result, these photos will serve as a gentle reminder to him, and he will be envious if he sees you smiling with other pals.
I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share it with others, and subscribe for more dating tips videos like this. Do you have any dating tips I might have left out? Please post them in the comment section below.